So we have lots of experienced seed collectors today. We are here in Goddard Prairie, which is along the Tualatin River. 5 years ago, this was a potato field, and today it's now a restored wet prairie, which has become a seed bank for future restoration projects. My name is Marcia Holt-Kingsley, and I am the Metro Native Plant Center Coordinator. I'm holding a little bouquet of fragrant popcorn flower, or the Latin name is Plagiobothris figuratus. We're collecting this seed to use in another restoration project.
Beautiful wet prairie grass.
It's amazing how much it has matured since last week when we were out here just 7 days ago.
I'm learning a lot just from being out in the field. I love to volunteer, and I've been volunteering with the Native Plant Center for 3 years now. I live downtown Portland, so these are kind of like my backyards.
This is our little nursery area where we keep all our young plants. The Native Plant Center started in January of 2005, so it's been under cultivation for 3 years now. We have spreadsheets that are tracking every single plant and seed that we have here. Last year, volunteers collected and cleaned 70 pounds of seeds, and we grow it out into plugs like what you're seeing here in the greenhouse. We can take 10 seeds, and in a few years, that 10 seed will be 1,000, 2,000 seeds. This plant right here was grown specifically for Graham oaks. It's a blue pine grass, and it's a bunch grass. So we were talking about habitat for larks and bluebirds and our ground nesting birds. As Graham oaks matures, it will too become a seed bank for future restoration projects. We work with plants that are not commercially available. This isn't even on the market.
Right.
So it's kind of like gold.
How much variety is there here?
There's probably about 70 different species growing here at any given time.
Pretty small space. I love being able to come out here and see the volunteers nurturing these plants and realizing that some of these seeds may be an oak tree 70 or 80 years from now. I think that's really a very exciting thing. My name is David Bragdon. I'm president of the Metro Council.
Up here is where we have our Oregon white oaks. Oregon white oaks are pretty amazing. These plants were acorns 3-4 years ago, and this is how
Now
big
they're
they've gotten.
toddlers.
And now they're toddlers, yeah. Some of these trees were planted out at Graham Oaks from the batch that we have here.
The Native Plant Center is providing biodiversity for natural areas. It's also providing this great experience for the volunteers and the people who are working on it.
It's a beautiful thing.